Hello everyone, welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. This is one of the videos which I was dying to do for a very long time, maybe about a week, but I was unable to do because this video contains my unhaul of the latest books that I bought from Flipkart Big Saving Day sale that was happening between 18th to 20th September 2020. I received these books between 24th to 28th September. Today is 30th September, and now I will open each of the books in front of you. Also, let me tell you that I do not promote buying books randomly. It is that for the first time I have got so many books together. There are about 10 books in this collection that I bought from the particular sale, and I have high power and always prefer to read books physically. So I got these books, and also these books were on the cart for a very long time. During this sale, I saw the prices of these books were really cheap compared to their original price, and so I thought of buying them. Also, let me tell you that the actual prices of these 10 books was 3086, which I got for 2033. So it is some amount of savings that I did, and the individual price of each of the books I will tell you once I start opening the boxes and share in details about the books. What to expect from this particular video? I will talk about each of the books that I have bought. I will open each of the books in front of you and share the prices in which I bought these books, and why buying books during sale is a better option, because you get the books at really cheap prices. So now, without further ado, let's open each of the books, which I'm dying to do for a very long time. So here is the first book that I'm opening now in front of you. I don't know which is the book because there are so many books that came together. So the first book that I will unhaul is just let me open, and it will take me. So the first book is Chaturanga by Anand Neelakantan. Also, let me tell you, I have also got the first book of this series, that is Shivagami. It will be in some of these boxes. This is the second book, so I can't read the second book before I read the first book, so I also ordered the first book. Now let me tell you the price at which I got Chaturanga by Anand Neelakantan. The original price of Chaturanga is rupees 399. In Flipkart Big Saving Day sale, I got it for rupees 279. So this is Chaturanga, and if you don't know, these books as I know, that is Rise of Shivagami and Chaturanga. Both the books are before the story of Bahubali begins. So you can say that these are prequel to the Bahubali series. So this is the first book. I love the cover. It's in black, and see the cover of the book. Doesn't it look so very appealing? So this is the first book. Now let me open the second book. I have no idea what book is this, and when I ordered so rapidly each of the books that I have now forgotten what were the books I have ordered. Now, this is the second book. This is The Home and the World by Rabindranath Tagore, popularly Ghore Baire in Bengali. It's a very popular novel of Tagore. Films have been made from this particular book, and I got it in rupees 85. See the book, the quality, and the original price of the book is rupees 125. I got it for only 85 rupees. So this is the second book, The Home and the World by Tagore. I hope you can see it. This is the second book. I'm dying to read this. I'm dying to read this book. I had read the Bengali one long back when I was in college, I believe. I'm dying to read the English interpretation. This is a very popular novel by Tagore. Okay, now let me open this box. opening the boxes is like opening the birthday gifts that you receive. Okay, this is a very beautiful book. This is a very, very beautiful book. This book is A Princess Remember, the memoirs of Maharani Gayatri Devi. See how lovely this book looks. I was eyeing this book since its release, and finally I have the book with me. So this is the book, and this book, the original price of this book was rupees 595. I got it for rupees 363. See the book. This is so beautiful. This is Maharani Gayatri Devi's picture, if you can see it clearly. So this is the third book, again with a black cover, and this is from Rupa Publication. So I think this is the first book that I will read from all the books that I have bought today. So The Princess Remember is next on my. I would also like to show the beautiful pictures that are there inside the book. See, and you know what? The smell of these books reminds me of my old textbooks that used to come. See the pictures inside it. There's got some beautiful pictures. See. And Maharani Gayatri Devi is an international icon. She is known for her personality, her sense of styling. So this is the book. I'm just dying to read it. Such beautiful pictures the book contains. The next book. It is one non-fiction which I have also bought. I'll tell about it also. So, opening each of the packet is a task. And you know, when we were small, my mother used to tell, when the gifts were packed in the wrapping paper, they would tear the wrapping paper. You never know when you need those wrapping paper. So, that is what is going. So, it takes me time to open wrappers. And what this book, okay. Yes, this is the book. The book is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. Now this book has been repeatedly told in Saheli's channel to read, and this book is on public speaking. I have read other books by Dale Carnegie, and I was looking forward to read this book. Now, the original price of this book is rupees 150. I got it for rupees 105. So, this is the book. I'm confused which book to begin with and which book to start and which book to leave. That is the excitement I get when I buy new books. So, I hope it continues with you all also. Also, I would like to mention that link of all the books are given in the description section below. So if you want to buy any of the books I have mentioned in this video or any of the videos that I create, do click the link to buy the books, because if you buy the books from the link given in the description section, then I get a very small percentage as a commission from Amazon affiliate link. Also, I write blogs on preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Mostly the blogs are on books and their reviews, so do check them out. If you want to become a member of my Facebook group, then do join Book Tales by Preetha on Facebook. Book Tales by Preetha is also there on Instagram by the same name. All the social media handle is mentioned again in the description section below, so you can click there and you will directly get the link of this. Now let's again get back to the unhauling. Now I think this packet contains 2 books, and let me see what is there. It's very heavy. You know what? I have a habit of whenever I buy any books, be it from the online platform or from shops, I have a habit of writing my name on the very first page of the book with the date on which I got the book. Do you have any such habits? If yes, then do mention in the comment section. Now here are 2 books. So the first book is Lajja by Taslima Nasreen. This is a very popular book. I had a copy of Lajja before, but I have given it to somebody, and the somebody hasn't returned me the book. The next sequel of this particular book Shameless has also come out. I wanted to reread this book. I had read it in Bengali, and the English version of the book somebody had taken. So I wanted to reread this book. This book is about the effect of Babri Masjid on a Bengali family. I have discussed in details about this particular book on my video on banned books. I will put the link somewhere over here as well as in the description section below. And this is the 20th anniversary edition of this book. Now, the original price of Lajja was $2.99, while in the sale I got it for only rupees 170. So this is the book. So I will reread it because I want to read its sequel, which is Shameless. And the other book is, here's the book. The other book is The Rise of Shivagami, which is the part 1 of this book, Chaturanga. So I would like to read this book first and then I will read this book. I have heard that the book is extremely interesting and it is unputdownable, so I'm looking forward to read this book. Now, this book I got it for rupees 184, while the original price of the book was rupees 299. So, have you read any of these books? If yes, then do mention your feedback on the book. I would love to read them. The next book is this one. I have also ordered 2 Hindi books. I will show you one by one which are the books. They are very, very popular books, and I think this is one of them. I'm not sure. Let me open the packet and then I will tell you which is the book inside this packet. So yes, this is the Hindi book. Now this is Chaurasi, and the original price of the book is rupees 150. This is by Satya Vyas, and I got it for rupees 138. So this is the book. I have heard a lot about this particular book in BookTube and Bookstagram community. So I thought, and as far as I know, this is a love story set in the backdrop of 1984 Sikh riot of India. So this is my knowledge about this book. See the cover of the book. Isn't it so beautiful? See, here is a boy and a girl's image. Here is the blood clot image. Loved the cover, loved it. This is how I think covers of books should be made. So this is the book. Okay, and this is another Hindi book. Let me show you. This is again a very popular book, and I couldn't buy the English version of this book because it was damn costly. So I thought if I want to read it, and I was hellbound to read this book, so I got the Hindi version of this book. And I have already read another work by this popular author, South Indian author. I have also talked about that particular book in my previous video. Okay, there is such beautifully the book has been covered. See, there was this cover first, and then it has got this cover. I love it. So this is another book, and let me show you. खुलने में ही इतना टाइम लग रहा है. So this is very thick. The book in question is Parva by S.L. Bhairappa, and this book is about 616 pages. Big book. Now in this particular book, what I know, the characters of Mahabharata have been depicted by the author S.L. Bhairappa in terms of their human version. This is again a very, very controversial book, and I have already read Avarna by S.L. Bhairappa. He mostly writes in historical context and Hindu religious matter. I loved Avarna. I have done a book review of it and I will link it somewhere over here, as well as in the description section below. And you know, the English, I was about to read the English version, but the English version was too costly. It was, I guess, 750 or 800 rupees. So I thought, why not get the Hindi version? So this is the book, and the price of this book, I've forgotten to write it. Okay, the original price of this book was this was the Hindi version is 350 rupees. This is the original price, while I think I got it for 250 rupees if not wrong, but check it. Okay, I will put the price of the book while doing the editing. I'm not getting the price. The price of no, I'm not getting it. I will check it and I will put it in the while editing. So this is the book. The original price is 350. The price I got it for, I will mention it over here. And then there are two more books which are there. I will show you one by one. The next two books. So these are the last two books. I'll open them one by one. Yes, this book is Jahangir by Parvati Sharma. This book, you know, there was a hardcover version. The paperback has, I think, just come out. So, and obviously the paperback is easier to read. It is cheaper than the hardcover version. So I got this particular book. The original price of this one, the paperback, was rupees 499, and but I got it for only rupees 291. Isn't it a steal? So this is the book. I have already read two books on Noor Jahan. One is Empress and the other one is the 20th Wife. I have a knack for history and books written on historical character. So when I read so much about Noor Jahan because I found the character very fascinating, and obviously in both the books there were mention of her husband Jahangir, and so I got this book, and also I got it at a very good price. So this is the book, and the last book. This is the last book. The last book is, I know which book is, but let me show you. Major time of this video is going and opening the books. Please pardon, because the sound of the dog barking only happens when I make the videos. I don't know why. This is the speciality of the place I stay. I would like to ask other YouTubers, do you face these sort of issues when you are shooting from your home? I regularly face these kind of problems. Okay, there's one more cover. So much wrapper and all this got accumulated and it's huge. So this book is a short story collection. I have talked about this book in books released by Indian authors in 2020. The book is Timeless Tales from Marwar by Vijayendra Deta. Now this book contains some amazing folk tales, folklores from Rajasthan, and Rajasthan as a place always has fascinated me. If I can't go to the place, why not read a book from there and see the beautiful cover? I'll take it closer. This is the beautiful cover of the book. There's a peacock, there's a woman. So it's so beautiful. So this is the book, and as for my knowledge, this book contains collection of stories by the author, which he has written over a span of, I guess, last 50 years. So this is the book, and this book, the original price of this book is rupees 250. I got it for only rupees 178. So now let me show you all the books. Maybe I will not be able to hold all of them together at a time. I will try to show them to you. See, these are amazing collection of books. It will fall. These are the books which I have got, which I will read. The festive season is coming and my book buying during the festive season. So these are the books and I plan to complete them before December 2020. Let me see how far I am successful in my plan. So these are all the books that I got in my latest haul. So what do you think about today's video? Do you like it? If yes, then do hit the like button. And if you want to watch similar videos, then you must subscribe to my channel Book Tales by Preetha, because I regularly come up with new videos on books, on life, on career and personal growth. And to buy any of these books that I showed you in this video, link of all the books is mentioned in the description section below. Please buy it from there. It's a request. In that way you help small YouTubers like us to grow. It encourages us. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of content you would like to watch in future on my channel Book Tales by Preetha. For today, tata and bye bye, and I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching my video till the end.